thank God for allowing us to be here, that we are able to reach here safe. And I'd like to welcome all of you present here. And I welcome the parents, the teachers, and also the media. Thank you for being with us here today. And now, first I'd like to say this, that I congratulate our school toppers who work very hard and who brought honor to our school. And they are from class 10. We have Jaden Magnipdi in the 14th position, and also Daffodil Langstang in the 16th position. And also from class 12, we have Luigi Paswet, who is in the 3rd position this year. And I'll also like to welcome Wantebok Pator and Marvelous Shabong for being with us here today, and I congratulate you for your achievement. As you know, it's a small felicitation today. I really hope that we had the opportunity, we might get the opportunity to felicitate all your classmates, our school classmates, but then due to COVID protocols and all, we cannot hold a felicitation for them. So for all of you watching this video today, I congratulate you on your success and on your achievement on passing. And I hope that you'll do well moving on forward with your life and also with your studies. And to all the students who will be joining North Liberty Higher Secondary School this year, I can say our juniors, especially present here is Wantebok and Marvelous. I hope that you will find our school very good, and I hope that your time spent in here is precious like I found it to be. As for me, I find this school very good, and I hope that you'll get along well with your classmates and also with us seniors and the teachers. And not to mention this, but our teachers here are very good. They'll readily help you when you need. You can consult with them, and they teach too very good, my teachers. And I hope that your time, to the students who will be joining North Liberty, I hope that you will be determined and consistent enough in your studies, so that us too, not just joining class 11 and class 12, us seniors too, who will be taking our exam in the next coming year. I hope that we'll be consistent and determined enough so that when we get our result, we'll have a wide smile on our face, so that we all can leave our school with a happy note, thanking our teachers and our principal and all our friends. So I don't have much to say. Actually, I don't know what to say. But I'm very grateful that we are here, and I'm very grateful that I have this opportunity to welcome you. And with this, once again, I welcome the class 11 and class 12 students, and may you get along well with your classmates and teachers and friends. I think that's enough. Thank you, and stay safe and take care.
Thank you very much, Snenba. Actually, I didn't know whom to pull, because this program was arranged on Saturday evening, and I didn't know whom to call from the students. But I remember very well that Snenba doesn't need any preparation. He can just stand and speak. So I told Snenba, I think you will come and give the welcome speech, and thank you for that welcome speech. I believe it has made the hearts of your friends who are joining North Liberty, and even friends who were in North Liberty and have joined North Liberty again, happy, and it would have encouraged them to start this journey, because when you reach class 11 and 12, it's time that you think about your future. You are not studying because your parents asked you to study, but you have a reason why you are going to study. You have an aim, you have a dream. And that dream can be achieved not by somebody asking you to achieve it, but it's by you understanding the heights of your dream and also accepting that you need to work hard to achieve your dreams. Nothing is achieved without hard work. Everything is achieved with hard work. I'm standing here speaking to you, speaking to your friends, the media, and the whole world will be listening. I've achieved this not by just sitting, but it required a lot of hard work. Everything you see in the world that is good has been achieved by hard work. Nothing comes easy, all right? So I once again welcome the class 11 students who are present in this meeting and who are not present in this meeting. My advice to you is from day one, make sure that you always stay focused. If it's your online classes, do not miss them. If it's an offline class, do not miss it. And if you miss it for some reason that is valid, make sure you catch up on the next day. Because if you miss classes, in a very short time, you'll realize that you are left behind and you'll start losing hope. So always remain focused and be constantly alert, especially with the online classes. You have the benefit of learning in your own time and at your own pace. I believe class 11 students, you have already started your online classes, right? So nowhere in your lifetime as a student were you able to order your teachers to teach you the same thing again and again and again, right? But fortunately, because of online classes, you can rewind them. Ma'am, once again, please. Ma'am, once again, please. And they'll keep on telling you the same thing again and again. But however, offline classes are starting very soon. We'll be having a teachers' meeting today afternoon. And after the teachers' meeting, we will be declaring the date when your offline classes will be starting. But remember, even though the offline classes will be starting, it will be complemented by offline classes. And the good news is, apart from the 2 studios that we already had, we have built another studio, which is a very good state-of-art studio, where we will be conducting live classes. So some of your teachers will be conducting your live classes from that studio, okay? And it will not be Zoom, it will not be Google Meet, it will be something very special, which I won't tell you now, but it's a very special online system which is used in the Western countries, especially in America. They use this platform, and we'll be using that platform for communicating with you students. All right? So once your classes start, we will be training you, we will be giving you a username and password for that platform as well, so that your teachers can interact well, because your teachers will also have to get training on how to work on that platform. And once it's up and going, I'm very sure that it will benefit you. And if you are a science student, you don't have to worry about tuition, you don't have to worry about coaching, because all these have been bundled in the package of your learning in North Liberty. If you're a science student, your tuition and your coaching is all bundled, all right? And I'm very happy today that on Saturday, I was motivated because on Saturday, the people from BYJU'S company had come and installed these kind of TVs in your classrooms. Class 5 up to class 12 will be, if you look at that signboard, will be powered by BYJU'S learning app. All right. So the only thing that is yet to come, yet to be set up, it's already come. The BYJU'S satellite receiver has already arrived, but their technicians, due to COVID protocols, have not been able to come. But they have installed these TVs, and then the satellite receivers will be coming, and you will have the privilege where your teachers will also be able to show you the teachers from BYJU'S. They can help you in making concepts that are tough seem simple. All right, clear? But you will also be having crystal concept video lectures, which will also be, you will be able to access to the same TV in the classroom. All right? So these are all the good things that are happening for students of class 5 to class 12. So children, let us not lose hope because of the pandemic. Time is there. All right, your online classes have started, and now offline are going to start, and I believe we'll be able to finish the whole syllabus of class 11 In fact, class 12 syllabus is about 70% is about done. About 70% of your syllabus is done online, and teachers will be completing it very soon and will be able to revise, and you'll be confident before your board exams. So children, as always on our felicitation, we always felicitate our toppers, especially with prizes. I believe in awards. If I'm doing a good job, I believe in getting an award for my hard work. In fact, I was privileged in my lifetime as a teacher. I've been teaching for the last 20 years. And in a span of 20 years, I have achieved a District Teachers Award as well as State Teachers Award. And today, I believe in Meghalaya, the teachers will be receiving new teachers, other teachers will be receiving the district and the state award, and some teachers will be receiving the national award. I'm very happy that in the 20-year service of my life, I've been given by the state government the district award as well as a state award for teachers. And I hope if it's God's will, if I work harder, maybe they will give me a national award one day, which I can dream about it. You see, there's nothing wrong in dreaming. But if you dream, work hard and you dream, you will achieve them. So children, I believe you have a dream, but when you did your board exams, you knew, class 10 students, you knew very well that you will be getting a laptop, right or wrong? But then times have changed. Getting a laptop now is nothing. It's useless. Laptop is only 25 or 30,000 rupees, right? It's not more than that. But now we say we won't give you a laptop because laptop is not useful for you anymore, right? But if you have a dream to be a doctor, you have to have a dream to be an engineer, we have decided that this year we will award you with a BYJU'S tablet, which I don't have to tell you the price. You know very well it's 4 or 5 laptops. The cost of the BYJU'S app is 4 or 5 laptops, right? And then it's not the cost. It's the learning that you will learn from that. It will give you confidence when you are going to appear for your NEET exam or your JEE exam 1.5 years from now or maybe 2 years from now. And I would like to tell you that these tablets that they are going to receive will work offline as well. You don't need internet for them to work. The whole package is inside that tablet. You'll be able to watch lectures and also to attempt mock tests in the tablet. And in the school, I won't say school library, in my office library, I have a library in my office, you will come to my office and you will meet Sir Flyding, and he will give you some more resources that have been prepared by BYJU'S for NEET as well as JEE. All right? So chapter-wise, topic-wise, they will be giving you the material, which will complement the tablet that you'll be getting today. All right? So I hope you are happy. And also, we have decided in our governing body meeting that we are going to award from now onwards not just our top 10 holders, okay, not only the top 10 holders from our school, but we are also going to award the top 10 or top 20 holders coming from other schools to North Liberty as well. I would like to tell you that when I started North Liberty, I had a dream. I had a dream that Joai and Jaintia Hills should also become a learning hub. If you go to Assam, you will find there is a town by the name of Patsala. That town, Patsala, is the learning hub of Assam. Sorry to say, but Guwahati is not the learning hub of Assam. Patsala is the learning hub of Assam. It's a very small town compared to Guwahati, but that's where all the students of Assam go to study, because they have created the environment for children to study and excel. The students who top the NEET, who top the JEE in Assam, they are students who study in Patsala. And that is my dream, that my Joai, my Jaintia Hills will become a hub. I always pray to God that God would give wisdom not only to me, but to every principal of West Jaintia Hills District, that we'll be able to upgrade our school and encourage people to come and study from other districts to our school. So this year, We have students from other schools. We have students from other districts also who have attained the top 20 position coming to North Liberty. And that's why the governing body has decided that these tablets will be given to them as well, to encourage them to come to West Jaintia Hills district. We have a student from Shillong who studied in, which school did you study? Yeah, she studied in St. Joseph, and she has opted to come to North Liberty and join this school with a dream, to fulfill her dream. And I pray to God, with your hard work and God's help, you will achieve your dream, all right? There's nothing impossible that we can't achieve. Everything is possible if we only dream and we work hard. You know, in fact, I was very proud when I saw the news today in Syllad that one of the boys who studied in another school when he was in class 10, he joined in North Liberty and he got the scholarship to study in North Liberty. He came to the top 10 position in his class 12 exam from North Liberty, science stream. And in the very same year, he qualified NEET. And he was the only student who passed in 2019 from MBOSE, who got the Meghalaya quota for MBBS. Nobody from Meghalaya, not even from Shillong, who passed in 2019, got the medical quota in 2019. It was only a student from North Liberty who passed in 2019 who got the medical seat from the fresh students in Meghalaya. And that boy is now in Guwahati Medical College. And in fact, I was so happy to see the news that he had published a book. Imagine he's in medical college, and yesterday he released the book in his village, which is in East Jaintia district. And that book is a book which gives guidance to class 10 students how to study and prepare for your class 10 exam, how to identify the important topics from the different subjects in the class 10 syllabus, and how to become a topper in class 10. So if a book is written by a topper, I believe it should be a good book. So if you are watching this video, please purchase that book. The name of that book is Curious Minds, if I'm not mistaken. Curious Brains, and it's available on Amazon. So I am yet to call him and congratulate him, because I don't even know how to sell things in Amazon, but he is selling his book on Amazon. So see, a product of North Liberty 2019 is studying to become a doctor in a medical college and also selling his books on Amazon. So these are the kind of things that we look forward in our students. You see, they not only pass their exam, they also learn to do business. So I believe from the number of books he'll be selling in Amazon, he'll be able to sponsor himself through medical college. So these are the good things that happen. So today we are going to give out these awards to all the 4 students of class 10. And we also have a student from class 12, Lugi Paswet. He is also the 3rd position holder of the HSSLC exam 2021. He did receive a tablet as well when he was a student here. And today we will be felicitating him. So at this moment, I would request the teachers to bring the felicitation. I'd like to call Lugi Paswet here, and I will facilitate you myself. There's no chief guest today, all right? I am the chief guest. Why not? So I call you forward, and after that, he will be giving us a speech. So Lugi Paswet, let's give him a big round of applause. The 3rd position holder from North Liberty.
Thank you, everyone. Very good morning to everyone present here. I'm so grateful for this opportunity to be here. So thank you to the principal for inviting me. And I'd like to express how deeply grateful I am to the whole school, and especially to the teachers who have helped us, who have guided us. Yes. So, and then I would also like to congratulate the students, the rank holders in the SSLC this year, and also to those students who have passed out this year. And then I would like to also welcome you all. And I also like to congratulate the parents here for their guidance. So I don't have much to say. I was just called here yesterday. I didn't prepare a speech. So I would like to urge the class 11 students to work hard, to persevere as you have always did, to be consistent, to be sincere, to be disciplined, and to have hope and faith in God, because without God, nothing is possible. So again, welcome to the new students of class 11. Thank you so much.
We really appreciate your time. I know it's a time when you are very busy, but I have promised you till 11 o'clock and the meeting is almost over, all right? We are left with only the awards to be given out. My dream and my hope is that this will be the day to be remembered in your life and in the lives of all the students who are listening to this program, who have been enrolled in class 11 arts and science. May this day be a day that will motivate you to do well in life. And for the art students, I would like to tell you, we have been getting 100% pass from the inception of art stream, but we have never been able to attain a top 10 in the class 12 arts. Maybe your batch will be the batch that will give us the top 10 in 12 arts. And we also have class 12 arts this year. We have some promising students. I'll be praying to God that they work hard, and maybe they will also be the batch that will give us the top 10 from 12 arts. It always takes a small spark to bring a huge flame. I'll tell you, it took John Min many years ago as a private student from North Liberty to get a top 10 position. And from that top 10 position that John Min brought to this school. For those who don't know John Min, he was the first student of North Liberty. He was form number 1 issued when the school was started. Form number 1 issued to the student when this school started. That form number 1, when they reached class 10, he got top 10. He was the first top 10 holder of North Liberty. And I would say it was a coincidence, but not just a coincidence, it was God's hand. The first student who joined North Liberty got a top 10 in class 10 as a private student at that time. And from him, so many, I cannot count now. There are so many students. Even I have lost count of the number of students that have got top 10. And even science stream, it took just that small spark. In the first batch of science stream, Kamper Pala and Very Nice Tang. 2 boys got top 10. It took that small spark. And now we keep getting top 10 even in class 10 science, 12 science. So I hope that this will go on. It's not about the top 10, but students who didn't get top 10 also have been doing well. If they didn't get through in the first try for NEET, they got through in the second try. We have students now, more than one student. We have more than one student, I can say, because we are just 3 batches, who has qualified for the MBBS program through the Meghalaya quota. But if you talk about private, we have many students who are already doctors also, who have done MBBS with private seats. But I'm very glad from the 2 batches and 3rd batch with this batch, we already have 2 students who qualified for the MBBS program through the Meghalaya quota. And one of them is in Guwahati Medical College, and the other one is in RIMS, Imphal. So I believe this year, God will open the way for the class 12 students, including Lugi. God will give a breakthrough that this year also we'll make it to the Meghalaya quota, because I believe our students work hard, our teachers work hard, and the hand of God is always there. So with these few words, I take this opportunity to thank the press. I really don't know how to thank the press, but they are the only means for us to send a message to the masses. And in Jaintia Hills District, our press and media are doing a very good job. They are one team, a very unified team. They may be from maybe from Maupor, maybe from Syllad, maybe from Werta, maybe from Nongsan Hima, from any news media house, but you just inform one place, everybody knows. They work as one. I'm so happy to have a very good media group in West Jaintia Hills District. So I thank you for coming today, and I believe that our students and friends will be able to watch this program and be encouraged. Once again, I welcome all Class 11 students. All Class 11 students, I welcome you to this school. So again, present here is one Bante, right? One Teibok Pator. Sorry, you are new, so I don't remember your name. But one Teibok Pator. Can you stand up, please? Yes. One Teibok Pator is from Maukayau. And he was in the second position of the MBOSE SSLC exam. So we congratulate you today, and we welcome you to North Liberty, and we hope that you will be part of this family, and one day you'll be proud of being a North Libertian. Welcome to North Liberty. And I thank both his parents who are here today. Please sit down, Mamante. And at the same time, I welcome Marvelous Shabong. Can you stand up? She is also the 15th position holder in the last SSLC MBOSE exam. She comes from Shillong, and she has passed from St. Joseph, Shillong. We welcome you to North Liberty, and I hope that one day you will be proud that you have been a North Libertian, okay? And that you will cherish the days that you have spent here, and that your future will be bright after coming to this school. May God bless you. And I thank the parents and the relatives who are here with you today. I thank you very much for coming. I now also thank our own, very, very own students. There was a time when I had a problem, when my students always left me when they were in class 8, left us when they were in class 10. But I'm so glad that this year all of my students who have scored 88% and above did not leave my school. They all stayed back in North Liberty. So this is the best year of my life. They say, the best year that I will cherish all of my life. All my top students were retained in North Liberty. So this is an achievement that I feel it's an achievement for the teachers, for the school, and for the governing body. All right? And among them, we have Jaden. Can you stand up? Yes. We have Jaden Magni Pede. He is also a top 10 holder from the school, and he secured the 14th position, right? And we are very proud of you, Jaden. And I believe that after 2 years from now, you will improve your position and you'll go higher, okay? And that you can achieve your dreams. Thank you for coming back to North Liberty, and we welcome you back once again. Thank you, and I thank the parents for choosing North Liberty again. Thank you, Jaden. We also have Daffodil Langstang. Can you stand up? Yes. Daffodil Langstang was in the 16th position, right? So, of the SSLC top 20 list. We are very thankful that you have chosen North Liberty again. We welcome you back to North Liberty, and may your dreams come true, all right? I know you have a dream. Keep it with you, but work hard for that dream. I thank your parents. Mommy is here. Give my regards to your daddy as well, okay? We thank you for choosing North Liberty once again. Welcome back to North Liberty. Thank you. And at the same time, I welcome all the students of North Liberty who have come back to North Liberty. All right? And one good thing this year is that no North Liberty student who applied in North Liberty were not accepted in North Liberty. In North Liberty, we have opened a new system of admission for our own students of class 10, whereby 50 seats are strictly on merit basis. So you can be from North Liberty, you can be from any school. The top 50 will be admitted first. And another 5 seats, whoever is left over from North Liberty who has not been admitted in the top 50 in the science stream will again be given the next 5 seats. So another merit list for the leftover North Liberty students who applied for science, another 5 seats we have given extra in science stream. And another policy that we have adopted, no student who applies for art stream in North Liberty will miss the seat. First, the seats will be filled by all our class 10 students for the art stream, and after that, the others will be filled in. So these are the 2 decisions that are very good for the students of our school, because it's a time when getting admission in other schools is very difficult because there's a limited number of seats everywhere in the higher secondary section. So with this, we have a royalty program going on in North Liberty where we say, once a North Libertian, always a North Libertian, all right? So let this be a dream, let this be a slogan in our hearts. Once a North Libertian, always a North Libertian. So for the new students, we welcome you, and I assure you that after you leave this place, you will not be the same again, okay? You will experience the love of your teachers, you will experience the love of your principal. I give you everything that I have in my heart and soul. I give you everything that I have in my pocket as well. But I just want that you will achieve your dreams, all right? Because as teachers, we have a dream for our students. The only dream that we have is that they do well. And I did not join to become a teacher for nothing at all. I had so many other options in life. I could have done so many things. I got employment as an engineer in different companies. I was even given a job opportunity in Australia as an engineer. But I left all those opportunities to come back to Joy and start this school. And after I started this school, when I did my M.Ed in United States of America, I was also again given a job as a teacher, a maths teacher, in one very big public school in America. But there also, I said no to that job, and I said, I'm coming back to my own country because I love my students. So remember, when you are not Liberty, you have the full love of your sir principal. You will one day realize, I'm like your father. I'm so glad that students who have left from here, some of them, they call me daddy after they leave this place. And I'm so happy. It really brings joy to my heart to be called daddy by my students who have gone away from this school and have become somebody in life, all right? So we go on now to the award distribution ceremony. So before I give these awards, I would like to tell you that these are very precious gifts given to you, okay? I want that you would make full use of these awards that you are getting, okay? In that package is everything you need to know to become a doctor. In that package is everything you need to know to be an engineer, all right? People spend lakhs of rupees to get that package, and you are receiving it as an award. So I believe you will use it, okay? Use it so well that 2 years from now, you will be happy, your parents will be happy, and I will be happy. All right? So at this moment, I would like to call Madam Kongka, our chemistry lecturer, to give the first award, okay? And Madam Suchen, please help to identify the award. And Madam Kongka will be giving out the first award, all right? So the first award will be given to, let's go in this serial. I might make a mistake, but when you open your box, you'll know if it's the wrong box that you got, okay? So the first award is going to be handed over to Jaden Magni Pede. Madam Saka to give the next award, and this award will be given to Daffodil Langston. And I believe you also opted for NEET, so this is your NEET package. Next award goes to Wan Taibok Pator. The last award for today will be given to Marvelous Shabong. Marvelous Shabong.